Hi friends! Today we will cook pork dinuguan. Sorry for those who do not eat pork blood. In this recipe, we will be using onions, plenty of onions, garlic, and we are going also to use ginger, plenty of ginger. And we have here 2 kilos of meat. This is pork and chopped already. We also need 1 cup of white vinegar, then long green pepper and pork blood. So we will mix it with the white vinegar. Here we have to saute first the fat part of the pork. So you see it produces already oil. So the same oil that we are going to use when we saute the spices. Now we will just move them at the side of the wok. Then it's time for us to saute the spices. So we have here the garlic. It smells good. Then we have to add the other spices. We have the onions. Let's cook this one for a few seconds. Then we will also add the ginger. So I like more ginger when we cook dinuguan.
Ginger.
And this one smells so good. Right, next we have to add our chopped meat. We need to mix them well. And then we need to cook this until the pork is tender. So we have to let the pork cook until it is tender, and we have to cover it first. Alright, now let's check. It smells so good. And then we have to put another cup of vinegar or white vinegar. Then we have to add pepper, Then we have to add also salt to taste. So it depends on your desired taste. And then we have to add also fish sauce. So it will really taste good. We have to wait until the broth is reduced, and also we need to check if the meat is really tender. Some people who cook dinuguan use intestines and other internal organs of a pig. But for us, we prefer to use meat. The meat is already cooked and it's time to add the pork blood. We need to mix it well and also cook it until the broth is reduced. So we need to cover it and let it boil. Now let's check. You know, friends, dinuguan is one of the famous local dishes in the Philippines. Now this is almost cooked and it's time to add long green pepper, and this will make our dish smell so good and taste delicious. This is now our finished product. This is dinuguan, and it smells so good, and I know it tastes good too. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless everyone.